Jamaican McKnight.
Ian, what you have here now?
This is Daisy, and she is a 1966 800.
Ian, I know you have this car from, I don't know when, but was it from 1966?
No, I born 1966. That's why this has to be well preserved and move well, just like me. So I keep this car in under my own age.
Okay.
I've had it now for about probably 15 years. It was a pale white car when I bought it first. John Scott's mother, Daisy Scott, well known, had it, and I bought it from them. Changed the color and have had some minor changes over there. Minor. My son met in an accident with it and hit the front and I had to change it. But most of it is still original.
Still original?
Yeah.
Okay. What size engine it has in?
1300.
13?
12.
1200?
No, when you start having fun all of the details, you're going to trip me up, but yes, at 12.
No man,
I
I'm
had to
coming to
change the
trip.
voltage, I know that for sure.
It was 6 volt
It was 6 volts and I had to change the voltage.
to 12 volt.
Yes.
And it was, what is it now? Positive ground as opposed to negative ground.
Alright, so you're going to embarrass me now. All them things there I don't know. But you know, my mechanic to deal with it. So this is one of 5 VW that I have.
1 of 5.
One of 5.
Bug?
Both, all both.
Why you chose bugs?
When we were going to my father had a bug. And all 5 of us children used to have to pack up in the back of that bug. And we liked it and it took up and make enough noise. We liked it. And then later in life I thought my first car was going to be a Mini. But a bug came along. Then another one, then another one, then another one. I also had a variant. My brother and I had a variant at one stage. The party company with that kind of sorry I did because that you don't see anymore. You know,
Right.
you don't get it.
Right.
So I'm a classic car guy. I love classic cars.
What about the bug you like most of all?
Simple. Engine simple. Not that I can fix it, but everything about it is simple. Parts available readily and at a cost-effective price. You know? But you know, like most classics, you get one and you kind of get another one and you get another one. Because I've had other classic cars. I've had a Mercedes, 2 Mercedes, 3 Mercedes I should say. I had one of these Levins that you see here. You know, so I like classic. I like the age and the history behind it.
Okay, okay. Ian, you want to come in and drive with it?
Yes, man.
Cool.
Would be happy to. I'm going to give you a ride and come back. Before it boil up in the window can't go down.
So Ian, you have bugs all your life now, right?
Basically, that is the modern day AC, you know. Yes, I have had bugs all my life, you know.
Right. And you love bugs?
Love them. That's not the original actually. No, probably not.
How much gears you have in them? 5 or is 4?
4.
4.
But this one you have to sync, reverse, and bring it over to you.
Sync and reverse.
Sync, press down and over to
For reverse.
For the reverse.
Why is that?
I don't know about you asking me technical question. This model, because I have a 72 and it's not the same thing, and I have a 77 and it's not the same way you select the reverse.
So, what kind of performance you get out of it? You drive it every day, Ian?
Not anymore, because I don't live in Jamaica. But before that I used to drive it every day. Go country, come back. You know, used to get good performance out of it. One time one policeman did stop me and said me a speed. No, 2 men were before me and him stopped them straight away. The 2 guys before said, "Officer, I'm in a speed, I'm in a speed." The other man said the same thing. He said, your speed gun now work. I come to him and I say, "Officer, you know what year this car is? This is a 1966 car now. I think I could be going over the speed limit." The officer said, he looked at his speed gun and said, "True, it now work, it now work." Alright, I'm not go on. But I was clipping, you know, because the car can move very fast.
So what other stories you have now? Tell me about it now.
Well, so my children, I have taught them all to drive on standard shift car,
Right.
the bugger, because I feel that that's a skill they should have, you know.
Exactly.
Right now we all live in Canada, and nobody else can move the standard shift cars except those of us that learn to drive in Jamaica.
Okay.
And them now, one of them get a sweet deal on a car only because it was standard shift, and most people want to give parting ways with them standard shift.
Right.
So they learn to drive on the Beetle, my children, and them learn for we don't go classic car club up there and everything like that. So they have an appreciation of the classic car, and the VW is immortal, I don't know nothing mechanical, but my father now, anything I'm fix a car, him just look on it and say boom, him know if he diagnose and get it going, and he just done,
Any interesting stories it ever broke down with you on the road and
broke
everything?
down already. Broke down, come through a body of water one time in a St. Anne's poof! And of course I'm baffled when it comes to the car, so I don't know nothing. Well, one of my friends just drive up behind me and lift up the back and blow it, whatever I blow it, and gone. Gone. I've had it break down already on the road, but it just in a couple of minutes. May I go so?
Yeah man, go on.
In a couple of, anybody who know anything about car, anybody that know anything about car. My father tell me to me work this because I should be able to fix it, but everybody just come and boom and it gone. I have a good mechanic, very good mechanic.
Right.
Keep things well.
Yeah man, you can park now.
Park.
Drive out your gas. You're skillful with this one, yeah, man.
I love it, man. I love it.
Love it.
And that's 7 years now, I'm not drive it,
Right.
7 years I don't drive this car.
So when you park
as I say, it had an accident, and it's been in the shop. And the car, I don't live here for dip and the people then to fix it. And 7 years.
So when you come back and you start it, one start and it starts?
Today is the first I drive it in 7 years. Today,
But you disconnect the battery?
No, it was in the mechanic shop, and I go pick it up and drive it out, come here.
Okay.
So I tell him, me no want, me need to start when I come and he
okay.
realize.